Looking for the ultimate gaming headset? In this video, we dive deep into the Bangoo G9000 headset, covering everything from design, comfort, sound quality, microphone performance, and gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, this headset promises immersive audio and long-lasting comfort. What we cover in this video build quality, design, and comfort test sound performance. Bass, treble, and mid-range clarity. Microphone quality for gaming and streaming. Connectivity. Wired features and compatibility. Gaming test. FPS, MOBA, and RPG gameplay experience pros, cons, and value for money. Why choose Bangoo G9000 lightweight and comfortable for long gaming sessions, high-quality stereo sound for immersive gameplay. Noise-canceling microphone for crystal-clear communication, universal compatibility with PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox, and mobile devices. Top 10 features of Bangoo G9000 Gaming Headset 1. Comfortable design, lightweight, and padded ear cups for long gaming sessions without fatigue. Point 2. High-quality stereo sound, clear treble, balanced mids, and punchy bass for immersive gameplay. Point 3. Noise-canceling microphone, reduces background noise for crystal-clear in-game communication. Point 4. Adjustable headband, flexible and customizable fit for different head sizes. Point 5. LED lighting, optional. Stylish RGB LED lights for a gaming setup upgrade. Point 6. Universal compatibility works with PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox, and mobile devices. Point 7. Durable build, sturdy materials to withstand long-term use. Point 8. Inline volume and mic control, easy access to adjust sound and mute the microphone. Point 9. Plug and play setup, no drivers required, quick and easy connection. Point 10. Affordable price, budget-friendly option with premium features for gamers. Perfect for gamers seeking budget-friendly performance. Streamers looking for clear voice communication. Anyone needing a reliable headset for long sessions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gaming headset reviews and tech reviews.